The next thing that I wanted to talk about is Canon. Canon has a new promo going on where you can save up to $700 on a wide range of their camcorders, including the XA60, 65, XA70, 75, and their flagship camera, the XF605. Now, the Canon XF605 is their flagship camcorder that pairs very well with both some of their more entry-level cameras, but it also pairs well with their cinema cameras. And the other thing with the camcorder is it pairs very well with their PTZ cameras because they all share the same lenses and they all share the same sensors, and it just makes the entire ecosystem really good and really easy to work with. Now, this camera is on sale for $39.99, and this was an extended promo that will expire at the end of next month. So definitely take advantage of that promo being extended. Now, like I said, some of the highlights of the XF605 is it has a 1-inch 4K UHD sensor. So not only are you getting that 1-inch sensor, which will be better in low light situations, it'll give you a more cinematic feel with that shorter depth of field, but you also get 4K with that, and you get both a HDMI output, USB output, and a 12G SDI output. So that means you can get 4K 60 out of that SDI. You have a 15 times optical zoom with image stabilization built into it. You have an iris with 9 blades. One of the cool features that I think is really handy, especially if we are going to be shooting this with sports, not saying that you have to, but if you're going to be outside, it has ND filters built into it, so you don't have to worry about your camera being overexposed and raising your f-stop to have super large depth of field. You can be outside, use an ND filter, and still keep your f-stop low to make it so you have that short depth of field. And then, of course, again, 4K, 60 frames a second at 422 for color space and 10-bit recording. And definitely also check out Canon's website to see more on the latest features that were just introduced with this camera as well.
Video Guys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter and Instagram to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.